everyone, it's Michelle from Toddler Sense. I'm here with Todd and we are going to enjoy a very special cheeky monkey activity. Now some of you might be cheeky monkeys at home and we are going to show you a great activity to do with your grown-ups. Now we have got Todd here and some of you may have Todd at home to use, or you might have your very own cheeky monkey toy or another toy. You can use any kind of animal or favourite toy, or you might want to create your very own cheeky monkey. We've got a little monkey template here and what we're going to do is use some colours, encouraging those fine motor skills to get the children to colour in the monkey. So a little bit of colouring is brilliant, developing those concentration skills. And once the monkey is coloured in fully, we're going to be using the scissors to cut it out. Now the scissors can be used by our children if it is of course supervised by the grown-ups. Alternatively, mummies and daddies, you might want to get involved cutting out the monkeys. Now my monkey has been coloured in and cut out and he's ready to swing through the trees. Now I have got here some elastic and what we're going to do is feed the elastic through the monkey, holding onto the branch. And then with a little bit of help, grown-ups can hold one end, the toddlers can hold the other end, and we're going to see if we can, make our monkey swing through the trees. Now, it's working with our monkey, but if we use a toy, it might work just that little bit better. So we have got something extra to add to the activity with our Todd or with our monkeys. We're going to use an elastic band. Now, we have got our cheeky monkeys here, and I'm going to try and just very carefully just use the band to just bind the hands together of the monkey. So it becomes a little hole for the monkey to slide down the elastic. Now, I'm going to give this a little try, feeding this through here. Now, as you might want to get your grown-ups to help and hold. I have got a glamour system. We're going to see if we can bring the monkey over here. We're going to slide the monkey back here, and I can bring the monkey up high, and we can see if we can slide that monkey through the trees. Here he comes. Oh, he's a little bit stuck. It's like he's on a zip wire. How amazing. Also, we can get the monkey to bounce up and down. Just see if our cheeky monkey can jump as well. Now, we've obviously made our cheeky monkey slide. You can make our Todd slide. And you might want to do it to our lovely cheeky monkey song. Now, we're very fortunate. We've got lots of songs from Baby Sensory on iTunes. And so you can find our music and listen to music and jump our Todds and monkeys all around. Hope you have fun. See you soon. Bye.